this presentation, I'm going to show you the top 3 reasons why your business needs to advertise on Facebook. There are plenty of places where you can advertise your business: Google AdWords, Facebook ads, Twitter, Snapchat, native ads, and so much more. Each platform has its pros and cons, but Facebook is the place to be for people who are serious about growing their business. So let's dive into the 3 reasons why you need to start using Facebook ads. 1. You can reach more than 2 billion people on Facebook. Facebook is the biggest social media network in the world right now, and it doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. In fact, thousands upon thousands of new users sign up for Facebook every single day. Imagine getting your brand in front of millions or billions of people. 2. You can target just about anyone with your ads. With Facebook ads, you can choose to show your ads to a select group of people. You can target them by country, by region, by city, even by zip code. You can target people based on their age group, their gender, their language, their hobbies and interests, and so much more. You can include and exclude different demographics until you find your ideal audience. You can even create a custom audience based on your existing mailing list, the people who visited your website, courtesy of the Facebook Pixel, the people who've liked your pages, and more. If you want to target other people who have similar characteristics to your custom audience, you can create a lookalike audience. Marketers love this feature, especially once they've found an audience that converts like crazy, as they can essentially reach more of the same group of people. 3. Facebook ads are cheap and affordable. Setting aside a budget for Facebook ads is a must for serious business owners. There are so many types of ads you can create, and you can reach any number of people who fit your demographic requirements. And if you think you're going to be paying through the nose for it, then think again. Facebook ads aren't as expensive as Google AdWords, Bing ads, or native advertising. In fact, with the granular level of targeting you can do on Facebook that other platforms can only dream of, it's really quite surprising that Facebook ads are cheap. If you want to reach more people without going broke, then go with Facebook ads.